Ready for a breakfast that practically makes itself while you sleep. Imagine waking up to a meal that's already done, no cooking or rushing required. High-protein overnight oats are your new morning hack. Delicious, nutritious, and so easy to make, you'll wonder why you ever skipped breakfast before. Just spend a few minutes prepping at night, and you'll wake up to a healthy, filling meal that's ready to grab and go. It's perfect for busy mornings or when you want to treat yourself to something wholesome. Here's the base for all three flavors. Start with half a cup of gluten-free oats. Oats are packed with fiber and keep you full for hours. Add half a cup of creamy Greek yogurt for a protein boost and that rich, satisfying texture. Pour in half a cup of your favorite milk. Dairy or plant-based, whatever you love works perfectly here. And don't forget a tablespoon of chia seeds. They add healthy omega-3s and help thicken your oats to the perfect consistency. If you like your breakfast a little sweet, add a teaspoon of maple syrup or honey. It's totally optional, but it makes every bite extra delicious. Mix everything really well in a jar. Make sure the chia seeds and oats are fully combined, so you get the best texture in the morning. This is your blank canvas for endless flavor possibilities. You can get creative with toppings and mix-ins, so breakfast never gets boring. Now, let's customize. Share these recipes with friends and family, and don't forget to follow for more easy meal prep ideas that make your mornings stress-free. With this simple base, you're set for a week of delicious, healthy breakfasts. Prep a few jars at once, and you'll always have something tasty waiting for you. No more skipping meals or grabbing junk food on the go. You'll save time, money, and feel so much better starting your day with real food. Just mix, chill, overnight, and enjoy in the morning. It's that simple. No fuss, no mess. Ready to make breakfast exciting? Let's dive into the first flavor and see how easy it is to upgrade your mornings. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier and tastier. Let's get started. Chocolate for breakfast? Yes, please. Imagine starting your day with a treat that feels indulgent but is actually good for you. This version is rich, healthy, and tastes like dessert. It's the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth without any guilt. Add a tablespoon of unsweetened cacao powder to your oat base. This will give it that deep, chocolatey flavor we all love. Stir until the mixture turns a deep chocolate brown, no clumps. Make sure it's smooth and well mixed. Top with a quarter cup of Greek yogurt for extra creaminess and protein. This adds a lovely texture and boosts the nutritional value. Add fresh berries like raspberries or strawberries for a pop of color. They also add a burst of freshness and natural sweetness. Seal the jar and refrigerate overnight. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. In the morning, you'll have a decadent, energizing breakfast. It's ready to go, making your morning routine a breeze. It's chocolatey, satisfying, and keeps you full for hours. Perfect for those busy mornings when you need something quick and nutritious. Who knew healthy could taste this good? It's a delightful way to start your day on a positive note. Let's move on to the next flavor. Stay tuned for more delicious and healthy breakfast ideas. Next up, strawberries and cream. A fruity, fresh classic that never goes out of style. This combination is beloved for its simplicity and the way it highlights the natural sweetness of ripe strawberries. Start by mashing about a third cup of fresh, juicy strawberries. The riper, the better. They'll add more flavor and a touch of natural sweetness. Stir the mashed berries right into your oat base, letting the juices soak in. Mix thoroughly until the oats turn a beautiful rosy pink and the fruit is evenly distributed throughout. You'll notice the oats take on a lovely color and a subtle strawberry aroma. Next, add a generous quarter cup of creamy Greek yogurt on top. This creates a luscious, velvety layer that pairs perfectly with the fruity oats below. For extra flavor and a pop of color, arrange a few fresh strawberry slices on top. Not only does this add freshness, but it also makes your breakfast look absolutely beautiful. Seal your jar and let it chill overnight. By morning, you'll have a sweet, creamy, and naturally delicious breakfast waiting for you. The oats are soft, the strawberries are juicy, and the yogurt is perfectly smooth. It's like capturing the feeling of a sunny morning in a jar. Bright, cheerful, and full of fresh flavors. This is the perfect choice when you want something light yet filling, and it's sure to put a smile on your face as you start your day. Simple, healthy, and so tasty. This breakfast is proof that wholesome food can be truly delicious. Ready to discover the final flavor in our overnight oats lineup? Last, banana bread. Comfort in a jar, made simple. Mash half a ripe banana and mix it into your oat base with half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir until smooth and well combined. Top with a quarter cup of Greek yogurt. Add banana slices and a sprinkle of cinnamon for that classic banana bread vibe. Seal and refrigerate overnight. Wake up to a breakfast that tastes like a treat but fuels your day. It's cozy, sweet, and packed with protein. Healthy comfort food, ready when you are. Enjoy your new favorite breakfasts.